Bulgaria's National Assembly has voted to authorize the temporary deployment of U.S. military refueling aircraft and personnel, coming amid fierce debate over alliance obligations and regional security risk. Carlo de la Peña has the details.
Bulgaria's National Assembly has approved a high-stakes military deployment in support of allied Middle East operations. In a 136-13 vote, Bulgarian lawmakers authorized the United States to station up to 8 KC-135 aerial refueling aircraft and 250 military personnel at Bezmer Air Base through October 1st. Defending the measure, Prime Minister Rumen Radev emphasized that the mission fulfills long-standing NATO defense obligations, explicitly clarifying that the tankers will be used solely for logistical in-flight refueling outside of Bulgarian airspace.
Това, което правим в момента е да спазваме своите съюзни задължения, да спазваме договорите, които сме подписали. Нищо, че този договор е подписан 2006 година, ако ние не си изпълняваме задълженията с САЩ по отношение на сигурността, как ще очакваме те да изпълняват своите задължения спрямо нас?
The parliamentary approval triggered sharp pushback from opposition lawmakers, who argued that hosting logistic support for Middle East strikes exposes Bulgaria to retaliatory security threats and destabilizes the region. Critics further accused the administration of making the country an accomplice in international legal breaches. However, government leaders rejected the claims, noting that no offensive weapons platforms will be based on Bulgarian soil and that all operations fall strictly within existing bilateral defense frameworks.
Агресия в нарушение на международното право, няма санкция на ООН. България подкрепя в момента военно престъпление. Не забравяйте, че с ракети агресорът уби 170 деца, момичета в един лицей, заедно с техните преподаватели. Това е военно престъпление, за което се носи отговорност. България в момента става съучастник и в бъдещи военни престъпления.
The logistics agreement comes as Washington seeks to reinforce operational capabilities and extend the range of its aircraft across active Middle East flight corridors. With military logistics now cleared to begin at Bezmer Air Base on Friday, regional observers anticipate close monitoring from neighboring states as Western allies maintain high readiness postures. Reporting for Newsline World, this has been Carlo de la Peña, SMNI News.